Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to download Prime videos and sitcoms and whatnot to your Fire tablet. Alright? Now when you go to Prime to download sitcoms and movies, not all of them are downloadable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get into a display of movies and sitcoms that are downloadable without having to search all over the place. It's just a one click and it'll bring you to everything that's downloadable, alright, other than searching. Now what this is used for is, say that, well, the reason I'm going to do it is I'm going to be going camping. And when I go camping, I like at night when I'm trying to get to sleep, I like to have something in the background, you know, a sitcom or something playing, because I've had it since I was a kid. I got severe ringing in my ears. I think they call it tinnitus or something like that. It's incurable. Something's wrong with your brain or something like that. But I've had it since I was 13 and I'm 65 now. I've got it pretty much under control and I know how to control it, and this is what I need. I need something in the background to help me get to sleep. Alright? Because when you're camping, of course you're out there in the middle of the woods and it's dead quiet, and boy, that tinnitus can really ramp up when you're in a very quiet area. Anyways, enough of that said. I'm going to show you, again, on your Fire tablet, how to download movies and sitcoms to watch at a later date when you're in an area that has no internet. This is going to be downloaded right to your tablet. Now, I've already downloaded a sitcom, a season of a sitcom, and I downloaded it at, you'll see it, it's called Data Saver. Don't do that. I downloaded it again at Good, and the video is very good. Now, to keep me out of trouble, I'm going to download a sitcom and I'm going to play it in front of you, but I'm going to have the volume off so that I don't violate any freaking, you know, unearthly codes out there and lose my channel and be arrested and have to do time in China or something like that. But anyways, I'm going to mirror my Fire tablet onto my computer, and I'm going to be able to show you how to download movies. So let's get to it. So the first thing you got to do is I've got to change screens and show you my Fire tablet. Here's my Fire tablet, and so I'll liven it up. All right, liven it up. Now right here is Prime Video. Okay, so I'll click on it. Yeah, my video, my internet out here is not too fast. So now, don't do anything. Don't go looking for videos or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is right down here is hit downloads. So I'll hit downloads and you wait. Now right here, this is the nice little thing it has. It says find videos to download. So you click on that. Alright, so now, this one right up here, this Tacoma FD, that's pretty funny. Alright, let's go John Wick. See, now this one is rent or buy, and Tacoma is rent or buy, so I'm not going to rent or buy that for download. Here's one, it doesn't say rent or buy underneath, Ned's Declassified. That's a pretty cute show. I used to watch that with my kids when they were younger. So I'll click on it. Alright, so now, it says right down here, all right, download season 3, but I don't want to. I'm going to download season 1. All right, so I'll change it to season 1. So now it says download season 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download season 1. And this is where the download options come up. Remember I said Data Saver? Don't choose that one because it comes up all choppy. Choose Good. Then hit start download. Oops. I've got to hit start download with my cursor here. So now it's downloading, and if you want to watch the download, you hit downloads again. All right, let's wait. All right, so right up here, now I got real slow internet out here. So right now it's downloading. It's going to be 1.3 gig that it's downloading. Then if you watch up here at the top, this will flash once in a while a little download button. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this closer to my router so that we don't have to sit here all day long. All right, hopefully you guys can still hear me. Now the screen might go blank. I'll liven it back up. It's just that sitting idle, it'll darken. So now we're at 100 meg, and again, remember we got to get to 1.3 gig, and that is the total downloads. Now notice in the top where it's flashing the download. Whoop, let me just liven it up again. There we go. We're up to 139 meg. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So to get the 1.3 gig, it takes about 3-4 minutes. It's going. Now notice up here at the top, this is your download. That's your downloading. And then what I'm going to do, once this totally downloads, I'm going to show you that it does in fact work without any internet right over here. I'm going to shut the internet off, okay? And then we're going to do some playback. But again, the playback, I'm going to have the volume off so I do not get in trouble. All right, so we're at 306 megabyte. So let's just hang in here. And that's got to, again, it's got to get to, I believe it's 1.3 gig. Oh, let me go liven up the screen again. Now on the Kindle itself, I can't tell you exactly how much room I have on here. I don't know how many gig I have on this one. I'm not really sure. I think it's only like a 4 gig. It's an older Fire. So that means on 4 gig I could probably only get 3 seasons of Neds on there. But it does have a micro SD card slot. So you could put 128 gig card in there and you could get, I don't know, probably 90 seasons on one little card to play back at your leisure with no internet. All right, so the download is about half done. So let's just hang in here. The screen's probably going to go blank again. I'll go liven it up. And you're probably asking me, Gary, what are you using when you go camping to keep the Fire tablet powered up? Hang on, let me just liven this up for you again. I use a Jackery Explorer 240. That Jackery Explorer 240 power supply, I'll show you, I'm going to show it to you when I come back live. I'll show it to you. That thing will probably keep the Fire tablet running for, I would say, a week without having to repower it. And the nice thing about these Jackeries is you can get a cord and it'll attach right to a solar panel. I've got a what is it? I believe it's a 10. I think it's a 10 or a 20 amp solar panel, and it'll recharge this thing. If it's got really good sun, it'll recharge this in about 3 hours. All right, we're at 821 meg. We're almost done. Let's just hang in there for a second. So anyways, the card, if you want to get an additional card for your Fire TV, you get a SanDisk ImageMate Pro, 128 gigabyte, and it's about $30 for that thing. And again, you can put 90 seasons of your favorite show on there. Let me liven it back up, guys. Yeah, I'll show you. You can do 90 seasons and play it back at your leisure. And again, that is playing it back at your leisure with no internet. You don't need the internet because you've downloaded it. My stylus just came apart. I gotta put it back together. All right. We're close. We're very close. 1 gig. We got to be to 1.3. So we'll play that. What's that? What's that? The Jeopardy song. Hey, while you guys are waiting for this thing to download, you know, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, write a comment or something. Oh man, I get it. Hang on, guys, I gotta liven it back up again. Come on, liven up. We're at 1.1. We gotta be 1.3. Oh, 1.2. We're down to the wire here. Now I am going to start the playback. I'm going to show you how to playback on the screen, but you won't be able to see it because Let's View isn't, well, I don't think the Fire tablet is fast enough through the internet to show you a video on with the Let's View. It's kind of confusing, but you'll see in a minute. All right, 1.3, we are done. Let me go grab the Fire. Let's grab the Fire. And what I'm going to do is, now that we are done, I'm going to click right here. Excuse me. As soon as I liven it back up again. I'm going to click right here. And I just clicked it, and there is all of your episodes. Okay, so let's click this one right here, the third one down. Let me hit play. Okay, now it's playing on the Fire, but you can't see it there because again, I said the connection is too slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to live, and I'm going to show you right on the Fire itself. So let me come back live. Where are you? There you are. Okay, it's playing right now. And there's Ned's Declassified playing. All right. And that, in a nutshell, is how you download from Prime. Oops, you know what? I did not show you guys something. Watch this. I've got to go back. I want to prove to you that I'm going to shut off. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right up here at this arrow. I know, guys, this thing is running kind of long. Right up here, I still have the internet on. I want to shut that internet off. So as soon as I shut this internet off here, we're going to lose the screen because Let's View is no longer going to work. But I'm going to prove to you that you can shut off the internet and still have the videos playing. All right, so I just shut it off. So my Let's View right here is going to crap out in a second. All right, so let me hit this. Nope, see that? Let's View just crapped out because it lost the internet. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to close. Say okay, close. I'm going to come back live. All right. So now Ned's is still playing. I'm going to hit this, go back. And if you look right up here at the top, my internet is off. But Ned's is still playing. Let's grab this one again. All right. All right, guys. Ring the bell, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you have tinnitus, do you have any tips or tricks for me on how to control it? But I like I said, I've had it since I was 13, so I got it pretty much under control. but it's still very aggravating if I'm in a real quiet area. But anyways, on the fire, this is what I use. A Jackery Explorer 240. This thing will keep that fire running. I guarantee it'll run that fire 24/7 for at least a week. And you can, when you're out camping, you can actually repower this and with a solar panel. Little 10-watt solar panel. You can power it right back up. Take about 3 hours. Questions, comments, everything else, ring the bell, all down below, or somewhere up here, over there. Thanks for watching, guys.